Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making a shopping bag. So for the long side there, we have 5 inches wide. Then for the long one, we have 33 inches long for it. So this is the cutout. Then the other thing, oh yes, we'll be needing a zigzag scissors. That's what they call it here. It brings out the shape of the bag, of the edges of the bag. It makes it neat and then so just so cool to look at. So let's go. We trim every part, yes, every edges of the bag so it will be looking nice. So this is the body. The main body of the bag is 11 inches wide, then 11 inches long. Like I used 11 by 11 for everything here. So the height, the wideness, everything is 11 inches. So that's why we arrived at 33 inches for our the long side there that I showed you initially. So this is the cutout. You can first use scissors or the main scissors for it, but anyway, either ways, the one that is easier for you, you can use it. So this is the cutout part. So we'll be needing a belt there. So you can see you use the same measurements for the body for the belt as well, which is 11 inches. So it's 11 inches as well for this is to secure my belt so it will not be looking to secure the handle, sorry, so it won't be looking rough. So the handle there is 16 inches. I use 16 inches long for the handle, yes. So you cut it into two for the back and front side. So this is me cutting it out. Yes. After cutting it, you can just use something to trim to like small file to trim the edges so it won't be removing. So you adjust this up, you see it when I'm sewing. Yes. For the side, I left 3 inches for both sides after putting the handle there. 3 inches. Yes. So I double stitch it so as to secure the handle so it won't cut easily or remove easily. So this is the sewing part of it. So you do the same to the second one as well. So it will be two. The same thing, yes. That's two. So the next thing we do is just to attach the long side to the main body. So here you place it down. I don't really have specific inches here, but just make sure it's covering it entire, like it's covering the whole side. Yes, this is me sewing it. Just make sure it's covered and it's not like, make sure you leave some, at least some inches, that when you're sewing it, when carrying it after, it won't remove or cut. So this is the sewing aspect, me stitching it together. It's just so easy. You can just, a beginner too can start from this angle as well. The edges, you curve it, and our bag is ready.